Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a simple yet beautiful updo just in time for the holidays. And if you're looking for some more holiday hair inspiration, I partnered up with Aveda over on their YouTube channel to create 2 holiday updos. I really think you guys are going to love them. One is a super soft, simple updo, of course. And then the other one is a unique braided French twist. I will link them below, so definitely go check them out and leave me a comment letting me know which one is your favorite. And I also shared in those videos what products I use to get this big, voluminous hair. So go check them out. Oh, and before we get started, make sure you stay tuned until the end because I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys. All right, let's get started. First step, adding volume. So place your fingers just below your temples and then trace towards the back of your head and just section off the top section from the rest of your hair. Now gather the top section together and then just give it a slight twist to the left and push upwards. Bobby pin into place on both sides, and you guys already know, but this step just helps to add volume at the crown. Then hold your bobby pins in place with one hand, and then with the other one, pinch and pull on small sections of hair around your crown. Now we want 3 sections, and they don't need to be equal in size, but you just want to section off all of the hair on the left side and place it out of the way for now. And then repeat on the right side. Now divide your middle section into 3 equal pieces and just begin braiding a 3-strand braid all the way down this section. You could do any braid that you like. I think fishtail braids would look really pretty too. Now, once you reach the bottom, hold your ends and begin gently tugging on the outside of the braid. This is a great way to help your braid appear thicker, especially if you have thin hair. And then secure your ends with a small hair elastic, and creating a small bun on the end will help keep your ends tucked away. And then repeat on the left side. I really love that the side sections are smaller. This just allows the braids to be unique in size and it'll help create a more detailed looking updo. Again, gently pull on the sides of your braid to fan it out and then just secure your ends into a bun. Repeat one last time on the right side, and this updo would look really beautiful if you mixed and matched the braids. So you could do a 3-strand braid, a fishtail braid, and you could even do rope braids. Now that we have our 3 pretty braids, just start with the middle one and begin wrapping it counterclockwise around itself to create a bun. And then you just want to tuck the ends underneath. And then bobby pin around the perimeter of the bun, just enough to hold it into place. Now, take your right braid and bring it up and over your bun and wrap it around until you've reached your ends. And then tuck them underneath that previous braid. And again, bobby pin just enough to hold this braid into place. And then repeat on the left side, bringing your braid up over your bun and then tucking your ends underneath. Now that all of your braids are wrapped, add some extra bobby pins to tightly secure everything together. And then one last detail, I loved ribbons this year and I knew that I wanted to add one, so I took this velvet ribbon. I thought it was perfect for the holidays. And I just wrapped it over my head like a headband and tied it into a knot just to the side of my bun, and then I tied it into a bow. I trimmed the ends and I just thought that this was the perfect touch to this holiday updo. So there we have it, you guys. What did you think? I love this hairstyle. It's so quick, it's easy, and it comes out great every single time. And this ribbon detail, I think it's so perfect for the holidays. All right, guys, time for the giveaway, and it's super simple to enter. All you have to do is leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite holiday hairstyle is. Do you like to wear updos? Maybe you like glamorous waves? Maybe you like to wear your hair all natural? Leave me a comment, let me know, and you'll be entered for your chance to win a package of my favorite Aveda products. I will list all of the additional details in my description down below, so check it out and good luck, you guys. Also, don't forget to check out my videos over on Aveda's YouTube channel. I will link them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.